Outside now! Oh, happy na, diba? Baba. Em, ayaw niya po itong ilagay ang jacket na. Come on, put your jacket, baby. Come on. Wow. This is the thickest ever since I came here. It's just, I think it's already 3 inches to 4. Wow. Baba.
Mommy, let's make some snow.
Look at the daddy. Look at Anthony. Huh? Boxer and shirt. Silly. Oh, this is the thickest. Wow. It's already 3 or 4.
How tall is it?
Yeah. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Cheese. Cheese. Effa. Effaline. Yay. Hey, babe. Oh my God. Whew, kalamig. Effa. Hala, namumula na sa FF. Okay, come on na. It feels like 15 Fahrenheit now. Wow. I'm getting cold na, baby. Come on, faster na, anak. We've been here for 15 minutes now. Oh, now wala na. You already destroyed my snowman.
It's okay.
You're gonna build?
Build it.
Okay, build na more. Hi.
Can
Pulang-pula na sa FF. FF, come on.
we build it, Mom?
Baby. Baby.
Just starting this part.
Here you. Put your head down. Come on, lay down.
Look, it's too deep.
It's too deep. Silly. Okay na, come on. I feel cold now. Come on, go make snowman now. Oh, they're both making snowmen right now. Or Eb just having fun. And Baba, it's cold now. I put him inside for a while and then now he's back outside. Baba! Snow is beautiful but at the same time it's dangerous. Sunday, this is the first ever tikis. It's around ano na.
So we can have.
It's like 3 to 4 na. They said it's gonna be 6 to 10. Wag naman sana mag 10. Masyado nang. Hey, babe. Are you eating the snow, Baba?